Good day. Let's make deviled eggs with a twist. We're going to make smoked deviled eggs. Now, I'm going to put the link in the description and pin it to the top of the bio for the full video on smoked eggs. But let's get started on this. So right here, I'll put the recipe so you can pause the video and do a screenshot. So first off, you need about a dozen eggs. If they're farm fresh, like these ones, wash them. The bloom has to be washed off of them. All right, so we're going to be smoking these at 225 for 3 hours. And at about an hour and a half, we're going to turn them. So let's go get these in the smoker. All right, so these are raw. And like I said, the link will be in the description on how I do this fully. But these are raw and evenly spaced. And I'm going to be using a blend of, I believe it's hickory and pecan to smoke these. Hey, don't touching. It's not an hour and a half yet. All right, hour and a half in, you open, flip, and close. Look how nice those are looking. All right, time is up. You want to get these things off of here into a bowl and get them cooled down. All right, now that they are cooled down, we'll get them all peeled, get them over to a plate, get them cut in half, and scoop all of the yolk out and get it into a separate bowl. So one tip, if the yolks are hard to get out, give it a little squeeze and they'll pop right out. All right, so we got the eggs and the yolk separated. We had one sploter and one broken one, but that's okay. I made extra just for this because I plan on munching on it. So let's get the ingredients in here and get this mixed up. Ingredients in, mix it all up, get all the lumps out, get it creamy smooth, get it transferred to the eggs, excuse me. Now, you can use a spoon, you could use a piping bag, however you want. I fill a Ziploc bag up with it, cut the tip off, and squeeze it in. So let's get that transferred over to there. All right, so you can top these with paprika, which is what I'm gonna do. Smoked paprika, Hungarian paprika. Put a little bit of dill on top or black olive, however you want. But what I'm gonna be doing is just putting on a pinch, just a pinch of black, or the paprika. I made a mess because I was filming, so. But let's get that and get these things sealed up. So there you have it, smoked deviled eggs. All ready to go for tomorrow. Put the lid on, transfer them out. You guys stay safe. Have a wonderful day.